Getting Medicaid to pay for dental implants is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, check Medicaid coverage in your state. Then, visit your state's Medicaid website or contact your state's Medicaid office to inquire about dental coverage and specifically if dental implants are covered. To understand Medicaid eligibility, ensure that you meet the eligibility criteria for Medicaid in your state. Eligibility is typically based on factors such as income, household size, and other demographic considerations. Then, consult with your dentist. Speak with your dentist about your need for dental implants. After that, your dentist can provide information about the necessity of the procedure for your oral health and may assist in documenting this need for Medicaid purposes. Now, get a treatment plan. Your dentist may need to provide a detailed treatment plan that outlines the necessity of dental implants for your overall health and well-being. This documentation may be required for Medicaid approval. After that, submit an application. If dental implant coverage is available in your state, you will need to submit a Medicaid application. You can usually do this online, by mail, or in person at your local Medicaid office. Then, follow up with Medicaid office. After submitting your application, follow up with the Medicaid office to inquire about the status and to ensure that your request for dental implant coverage is being processed.